Thread the power cord through the hole on the canopy. Thread the power cord through the H-shaped fastener and fasten the cord with the fastener. Connect the black wire to the black hot wire with a P3 wire nut and turn the wire nut to twist the wires together. Wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the white wire to the white neutral wire with a P3 wire nut and turn the wire nut to twist the wires together. Wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Drill holes on the wall according to size of drywall anchors and gently tap the plastic drywall anchors into the hole with a hammer. Drill another small hole for the ground wire screw. Attach the mounting plate to the junction box and secure with the screws. Loosen the screw for securing the ground wire. Wrap the ground wire onto the screw and then tighten the screw. Attach the canopy to the mounting plate using the screws to secure.